there are usually three numbers given in specifications for an air barrier system on a building. The most important number is the overall building air tightness, and that would be measured often with a number like 0.4 CFM per square foot of enclosure area at a pressure of 0.3 inches of water column. In metric terms, that's 2 liters per second per square meter at a pressure difference of 75. That's the important number that we're trying to achieve. But specifications also will usually list that components like windows, doors, curtain walls that are inserted into the enclosure have an air tightness that's better than 1/10 of that. So 0.04 CFM in imperial units and 0.2 liters per second in metric units. The third number that's sometimes quoted is that the materials used to make the air barrier have a permeance that's 1/10 of even the component, which means 0.004 CFM, or in metric terms, 0.02. And that number is actually not very important. Yes, we want a number that's pretty low, but getting much tighter than that has almost no impact on the performance of the building that we're actually trying to build. And it's actually quite important to recognize that if you focus on that number for the material itself, you may be sacrificing other properties that really matter, such as the ability for it to stick to a dry or wet surface, the ability for it to be installed in hot or cold conditions. These are very practical needs, and making a material that leaks less than 0.02 liters per second is not going to make any material difference to the performance of the building.